The power of pathos and storytelling. Ever read a story that tugged at your heartstrings, making you feel a whirlwind of emotions? It might have something to do with the term pathos. Pathos is all about emotion. It's a tool writers use to get readers to feel something deeply, whether it's joy, sorrow, or sympathy. It's those moments in stories that make you smile from joy or reach for a tissue. Like reuniting with an old friend or seeing a lonely puppy in the rain. Pathos isn't just about making readers sad. It's about creating a bridge of empathy, connecting readers to characters or situations. It's also in speeches and arguments. When someone speaks with passion, making you feel their perspective, that's pathos at work. So when you come across a piece that moves you, chances are pathos is playing its part, reminding us of our shared human experience.